Here's how you can quickly change the home screen grid layout for your apps on home screen and even the apps in your app drawer if you have your app drawer enabled. This is the Galaxy A55 5G smartphone with Android 14 One UI 6.1. In order to get into these settings quickly, long press a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you'll see the settings option. Once in the settings option, you'll now see the home screen grid. And of course, with the home screen grid, you'll be able to change the size in terms of how many apps you can fit within your home screen. Be sure to press done to save those changes so that it can make the changes in the grid layout. Now for the one that says apps screen grid, this is for the apps in your swipe up app drawer, okay? Same thing goes here. If you select a higher number, you got more space, press done to save it. And then you also got the folder grid layout where you can fit either 3x4 or 4x4. You can change these at any given time, like and sub.